everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngekwababa. Well guys, yabona ke lo mshado esiluke sithi siwulindile phakathi kwaZwelakhe noMaMtaung engathi sisekude ke ukubona. Kuleli viki ezoqala into ezokwenzeka ukuthi uMaMtaung ke i-ex yakhe uMandla is very obsessed ngaye, so ibhizi ipostana ke nezithombe zakhe on social media as if they are still together, and lonto ke izomcasula imqede ke uZwelakhe, and bathi ke uzoconfronta ke yena ke uboyfriend yena lo ukuthi yazini awuye ukuhlanyela ke imedium wena kahle kahle, ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi uyahlanya, ngicela uphume uye ukuhlanyela ke imedium. But ke guys, okukhulu kunakho konke ke ukuthi uZwelakhe uzohamba ke ayohlola ngoba izinto zakhe azihambe neze kahle, so laphana ke emhlolweni wakhe bazomtshela ke ukuthi ke abantu bakubo ke bayamfuna. I don't know whether ubaba kaZwelakhe mhlawumbe akusinwa kaMkhize or kwenzekalani, but kwasengazi ukuthi ke into yesibongo sikaZwelakhe ayihambi neze ke kahle. Bathi ke uZwelakhe is pushed to the edge as he searches for answers about his past. So kusho ukuthi uzoqonda ngqo kuMambokazi ayombuza ukuthi sisiwe kinamangi ngiwubani wakwabani, because into zamayilungi and they keep on telling me about imvelaphi iyami kahle hle kwenzekalani. So guys, umshado engathi sisekude ngampela ke nje ukubona phakathi ke kuka Zwelakhe kanye ke noMaMtaung. That brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.